Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to fix battery draining too fast on an Honor 600 Pro. First you want to go into settings and scroll down to battery. Now if you go down here you have shown the battery usage of different apps. You want to restrict some of them. Manage automatically and turn all of that off. Second thing you can do is go into display and brightness, then always on display, and turn that off. You can also reduce your brightness right here. You can also switch the refresh rate to 60 Hz to save some battery. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.